In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old and damaged photos using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Even if you're not a tech-savvy person, we all have those cherished memories captured in old photographs, but over time these photos can fade, get scratched, or even suffer from other wear and tear. Imagine being able to breathe new life into these pieces of history from the comfort of your own home. Without further ado, let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and doesn't require any complex software knowledge. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT by visiting chatopenai.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one. It's a simple process and worth the effort for accessing such powerful tools. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main chat page, ready to start this exciting journey to restore your photos. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to uploading your old photo. Look at the chat box and you'll notice a plus sign or an image icon. Click on it to start the upload process. This will open your File Explorer, where you can select the photograph you'd like to restore. It's important to pick a photo that you treasure and want to bring back to its former glory. Once you've chosen your image, simply select it to upload. The ease of this uploading process makes it accessible to everyone. After you've successfully uploaded your photo, it's time to leverage the power of ChatGPT to work its magic. In the chat box, prompt ChatGPT to help you with the restoration. You can say something like, "Restore this old photo, remove scratches, repair faded colors, and make it clearer while keeping it natural." This instruction gives ChatGPT a clear idea of what you're hoping to achieve, ensuring your photo comes out looking stunning, but still retaining its original essence. Remember, concise and clear instructions can help you get the best results. Once ChatGPT has completed the restoration process, you're just one step away from reliving your memories in perfect clarity. Hover your cursor over the newly restored image, and you'll see a download button appear, typically represented by a downward arrow. Click the download button to save your beautifully restored photo to your computer. This simple step ensures you have a digital copy that you can print, share, or simply admire whenever you like. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you can transform your old and damaged photo into a refreshed memory that you can cherish once again. It's incredible how technology can help us preserve our past and keep those precious moments alive. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your restored memories.